Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be a Amazon haul. It's going to be very small. I just ordered some more nail items. So as you can see, I'm trying to get the box open, and I did get just, I think, 3 items. So it came in this big ass box that Amazon just left on my porch, which is perfectly fine because I have cameras on my crib. But they put this and 2 other small items inside this big ass box. But as you can see right here, I have the Model 1s, the UV LED soak off nail polish kit. It came with 16 nail polishes, and then it came with a base coat and a top coat. So it comes with a total of 16 pieces altogether. So I will be doing a separate review / unboxing on this item. But this is how it came packaged. The packaging is really cute. It's smaller than what I thought it was going to be. But yeah, it is. It's very nice. It looks very nice and it's compact. So my next item here is I just got some nail drill bits. These I saw because they were kind of the unicorn color. So that is what I got here. So my last item is a glass jar, which I'm going to use for my Barbasol. So this is going to be for me putting all of my metal tools inside: nail clippers, my nippers, cuticle pushers, anything that it has metal. I'm going to go ahead and place it in there so that way it can soak and get clean. But also you want to make sure that you wash it with soap and water as well. So those were the only 3 items that I got from Amazon, and stay tuned for some more hauls of nail stuff. I should give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see in the next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.